Every mission depends on readiness, yet too often, leaders face blind spots, delays, and inefficiencies caused by disconnected systems. VTG's adaptive mission logistics solves these challenges by creating one integrated, data-driven platform for total visibility. One scan creates a single source of truth, enabling instant updates, streamlined reporting, and actionable insights. Whether it's managing assets, predicting failures, or coordinating maintenance schedules, VTG empowers smarter, faster decisions. Analytics, configurability, flexibility. Adaptive mission logistics adapts to every mission and every environment. With modular design and proven integration, adaptive mission logistics is scalable for the future of defense logistics. From depot to frontline, VTG connects every asset, every node, every decision. Adaptive mission logistics, powered by VTG.